name is Ikoya. I'm the creator and founder of Silky, and I'm here today to do a review on this newborn free Cutie Collection 134 unit. But before we get into that, I want to just take the time to say happy Memorial Day. I hope that you're safe. If you're with your family, I hope that you guys are enjoying each other. I want to say a special thank you to all of our veterans who are serving and who have served. And most importantly, very grateful and thankful for those of you who lost your lives in service. That is what Memorial Day is about here in the States. So I want to just say thank you so much for your service. And now let's go ahead and get into it. If this is your first time hitting this thumbnail, I want to say thank you so much. Here we do wig reviews, we give you hair tips, we do hair tutorials, product reviews, and it's all free every Monday and Friday. So if you're into that kind of thing, then please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell so you'll be notified whenever we drop a video. And if you're watching over on Facebook, we love you over on the FB too. Go ahead and give this video a like and a share. And then on both platforms, you guys, let's talk about this. Do you like short, cute, little curly units? You know, I've been doing a lot of shorter units because it's warmer weather and I love a cute, short, naturally curly unit. So this is my first time trying something from this brand. So let me know in the comments what you're thinking. If you like it, if you don't, let's talk about it. In every single video, I love to send a shout out to my Silky chicks. That is what I call my subs. And today's shout out is going to Russelle's daughter. She does DIY videos. She does wig reviews. She does makeup. So the link to her channel will be down in the description box. Go ahead and check her channel out and let her know that Silky sent you, excuse me. And thank you so much, Russelle's daughter, because she's also a Silky chick. She rocked her edge scarf in the videos a couple weeks back. So we love you, Russelle's daughter. Thank you. And now without further ado, let's get into why you hit that thumbnail. Let's talk about this cute little curly unit. So this is a brand I've never heard of or tried before. I was at my local beauty supply picking some stuff up. I seen this one and I was like, oh, okay, she's cute. She look cute. So here's her stock card. She's a part of Newborn Free, which is a brand, like I said, I hadn't heard of before. She is a part of their Cutie collection. She is number 134 in the collection. I am rocking her in the 99J. So she is not as bright. I thought she was going to be like more of a curly burgundy unit. And then when I pulled her out, you know, she has like burgundy highlights more throughout her. She's not just a pure 99J. So just a little bit deceptive with that color. She does come in a whole bunch of other colors as well. She is heat safe, so but I don't know why you'd want to put heat into this. And then on the back she comes with instructions. I like this style because I love a good cute curly unit that you can just throw on and go. She does have some cons, so make sure you watch the video all the way through so that you can hear the pros and the cons of this one. And then we're going to go ahead and get into the unboxing and get into the styling of this. And I want to encourage you to get our free download giving you tips on 5 things that you could be doing right now that is destroying your wig. It is down in the description box. Go ahead and check it out. Find out if you're doing these 5 things and then stop it right now so that you can continue to rock these units. We got the summer coming up. We want to be hot. We got the holidays coming out. We want to slay. So check that out once the video is done. All right. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so here she is. Let's go ahead and open her up. All right, so here she is out of the pack. These curls definitely need to be loosened up. It's definitely more of a silky yaki texture. There's some parting right here, but it's not very defined. I don't know if you can see that. Let's go ahead and get into this cap. And so there is no combs on this one. No combs, just the typical adjustable strap. So let's go ahead and put it on. So she is a little snug. I'm not gonna lie, girlfriend is a little snug, but the way these curls are falling, I think you can kind of hide it. Yeah, I think we're gonna be able to make her work. We'll just do a little bit of work to her. So here she is in the front, to the right, to the left, and the back. All right, so we're gonna style her, come back, give you pros, cons, final thoughts, so stay tuned. Alright, so I am back from styling Cutie Collection 134, so let's go ahead and get into it. So, because this wig, like last week's wig, didn't have combs, I went ahead and put on my wig fix. I definitely think you should add a wig fix, a wig grip, or some kind of bobby pins to hold this one down because she is not big head friendly. She is small, and once I added that wig grip, homegirl got snug. So just be aware that she is not big head friendly and that she is a little bit snug. Then I went in with my Lotta Body Mousse. I do this on all synthetic wigs, especially ones that have like a little bit of curl to it, because I just wanted to go ahead and help tame the curls a little bit and bring them together and kind of like refresh them. Also, because this unit doesn't really have a part, I didn't want to go in and try to pluck it and make it have a part. I think because of the way it's styled, it's kind of cute. You can just kind of pull the hair where you want it to go. So once I put the mousse in and rubbed it in, then I just kind of pulled the curls kind of in the direction that I wanted them to go. And then I grabbed my pick and just went in with my pick and picked them out a little bit. And then just went ahead, and after I picked it out a little bit, and just used my fingers to like pull the curls to be exactly how I want them to be. And the curls, you know, I think as this wig gets older, it'll get better because these curls will drop more. They won't be as tight, so that'll help it look a little bit more realistic, which I think will be cute over time. Now you have to be careful on a lot of manipulation on this one because it's a synthetic curly unit. The more you manipulate it, the bigger it's going to get, the messier it could get. So just be careful with that. And then I went in and put a little water on her because I felt like she just looked a little dry, and so I just wanted to put a little water in there, and that was it. So she is an easy throw and go. So if you like throwing and goes and you like you know, a curlier unit, you might want to check this one out. So let's go ahead and get into the pros and the cons. Pros: this is a easy throw on and go, right? No lace cutting, tinting, trying to do all that. You just go ahead, put a little bit of whatever you use to style your synthetic wigs in there, plop it on and go. Now you can go ahead and do some face framing, custom, that kind of thing. I didn't because I'm thinking I'm probably going to sell this one, so I didn't want to do too much customization, but you definitely could go on and make these bangs, you know, smaller and style it. But it's easy, right? You just put on, like I said, whatever chemicals or whatever styling products that you want to put in your hair, put her on and go. I like that she is a short curly unit because it's hot right now, and so if you're living in a place where it's super hot but you want that natural curly look, you can definitely go for that without having to do all the work of spiral curls or, you know, braid outs and that type of thing. I also like that, you know, I feel like over time she'll look even better because the curls will fall more, they'll get more loose, and so I like a little curly unit. As for the cons, she has no combs. For some people that might be a good thing that she doesn't have combs, but to me, because she doesn't have comb and she's not big head friendly, that's a little bit of like a you know, you got to be careful with that. The color on these are cute, so you know, if you don't like the color, that could be a thing that's stopping you. But I like them. I like the style, and like I said, you can definitely go in if you don't like the style and customize it a little bit more to your liking. So you know, for the price, I'm thinking she's a cute little throw on and go, you know, if you want a little curly natural look. And of course, when I take this wig off, I'm not going to put it back into the plastic bag that it came out of. I'm going to put it in my luxurious Silky sack. A Silky sack is a silk lined bag that I invented to not only store your wigs, but to add longevity to them. The silk lining allows the hair to just glide, cutting down on the shedding, tangling, and matting that it would do if you put it back into the plastic or in a box or in your drawer, wig hair, wherever you guys are storing those wigs, sis. Go ahead and check out the website. We have some great products to help you melt your wig, style your wig, take care of your wigs. The link to that will also be down in the description box. As always, I want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, better care is better wear. Have a happy, safe Memorial Day, and I hope to see you again on Friday.